Now, Good Morning Washington on your side.
If you're looking for something to do this weekend, it's the Capitol Home Show.
That's right. Our Kid O'Shea is around town. He's checking it out. Good morning, Kid.
Hey, good morning, guys. Look at my beautiful kitchen that I have right now. I wish this is what my kitchen looked like, but unfortunately, it doesn't. But that's the nice thing about the Capitol Home Show. You can come get some great ideas just by walking through here. I want to bring in Lisa. It all starts today at 10 a.m.
It does. Please come down to the home show to shop for all your latest tips, tricks, and trends.
And you guys have a lot of special guests throughout the weekend as well.
We do. We have Brett Tudor from TLC's Trading Spaces appearing today and tomorrow.
What makes this home show so different than the other ones that have been here in the past?
This show's been around for over 30 years, and we have almost all the same exhibitors come back every year.
All right, we've been talking a lot about fall, so let's get some ideas about bringing fall indoors, and we're going to get that from Nancy right now from the Beekeeper's Cottage. What are some tips that you can give people? This is a beautiful setting, by the way.
Hi, Kid. One way is to bring in a beautiful, fabulous farm table. We brought in our barnwood tables. They're from 100 to 200-year-old reclaimed wood.
Oh, this is unbelievable. So how do you bring texture into the table?
We bring texture to the table with natural elements. We use berries. We use these beautiful iron pumpkins. Lots of great ways.
By the way, it smells incredible right here. We should talk about your candles real quickly.
Our candles are 100% organic, locally grown soy, and we use blends from natural oils. My favorite is Bonfire Weekend. It just reminds you of a crisp fall evening.
Yeah, nice thing about the home show is there's people from all over the place and local as well. Beekeeper's Cottage is from Leesburg. So where can people find you guys in Leesburg?
We're on James Monroe Highway on Route 15 going towards Maryland.
Awesome. Come see you at Dulles Expo all weekend long. Back to you guys.
If you're thinking about a little home remodel, hey, this weekend you can get some sound advice on those projects. Kid O'Shea is around town at the Capitol Home Show.
Around town this morning at the Capitol Home Show, which opens today at 10 a.m. and runs through the weekend. It's also Hero Day, so all people with military IDs get in free today to the Capitol Home Show. One of the cool things they're doing this year is a little battle of the bathrooms. They've taken 3 different designers and put them up against each other. People that come here to the home show will be able to vote on their favorite one, and the winner will be announced on Sunday here at the home show. But that's the cool thing about the Capitol Home Show. You get to get a little taste of everything. Maybe get some ideas that will inspire you. I want to bring in Rania with KBF, and you guys are one of the people competing in the competition. What did you do with this bathroom?
So we really wanted to create a space for people to feel like they were in a spa theme, you know, more relaxed after a long day of work. So our designers kind of inspired this themed bathroom. We went with a Native Trails concrete tub. This is one of the new lines they came out with. It's gorgeous, and all of our installation team did a fabulous job.
Not your traditional bathtub.
Absolutely not. No, it is a 900-pound bathtub. So yeah, it did take a lot of efforts to get that bad boy in, but it is definitely beautiful.
What are some of the trends that we're seeing with bathroom remodels right now?
So right now we're seeing a lot of people who just want a space where they can come into and feel calm about. A lot of the darker tones are coming in right now. More of the white is going away. So you can see here that we kind of went with what the trends are right now.
Beautiful. You guys did a great job. Good luck. You can vote for your favorite bathroom here at the Capitol Home Show, plus get some great ideas as well, running all weekend long at the Dulles Expo.
If you're looking for something to do this weekend, Mel, how about the Capitol Home Show?
How about it? And Kid O'Shea is around town checking it out, so you know what to expect.
Around town this morning, and we are at the Dulles Expo where the home show kicks off at 10 o'clock this morning, and I'm with Lisa right now. An exciting day. There's a lot here all weekend long.
There is. We have over 250 exhibitors that has all the latest tips and trends.
Well, and you get to try out things and see if this is something you'd like a screened-in patio. Look at, we're in our little patio area right now. In fact, I think we should walk out to the patio door. Should we give that a try? Yeah. We could just go like that. Look at.
Pretty fancy.
We could have just walked around, but that was more fun. Let's talk about hours of operation, the special guests that are going to be here.
So it's 10 to 9 today, 10 to 9 tomorrow, and 10 to 6 on Sunday. And we have Brett Tudor from TLC's Trading Spaces.
Excellent. And it's Heroes Day as well.
It is. Military veterans and any first responders get in free today.
Awesome. Just need your military ID.
You got it.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Lisa. Let's head on over here and talk about some new home trends, because that's kind of what the home show is all about. You may not come and redo your entire house, but maybe a little bit you'll take away. And this is Brenda with Ethan Allen. Thanks for being out here this morning.
Thanks for having me.
So let's talk about what you're seeing as a trend, and I really like this.
Well, you're going to see a lot of neutrals and grays. That still remains popular, but to accent it with a pop of color. People say, what's the popular color? Well, it's just about any color, just adding that wonderful accent.
We're seeing a lot of turquoise in this beautiful, and I love turquoise, so I'm like, I'll do this. And I said, is turquoise the color? You're like, no, any color is good.
Any color is good. Make it an accent. Throw in some animal prints. That's really a popular trend.
But now, can you do too many colors? Can you, if you go with the does it like commit to one color?
You don't have to if you know how to do it the right way.
Okay.
So that's why it's important to have an interior designer to help you with those kind of things.
Ah, because I would do it the wrong way. Trust me, I've done it the wrong way. My friends correct me every time they're in my house.
Yeah, I mean, putting one solid color and then accenting with a pattern really does make a big difference, as you'll see here in our vignette. So,
What will you guys be doing at the home show all weekend?
we are going to be introducing ourselves as designers from the Ethan Allen store. We are located right actually beside Lowe's in Sterling, and we're going to showcase all the different fabrics, textures, and kind of give an insight on Ethan Allen and the products that we offer.
Well, it's funny because when you sit here and I look at this, I'm like, I want my house to look like this. Well, because an expert designed it. That's why it looks so comfortable and great.
Well, thanks so much, and we can help you do that.
Well,
so anytime.
I'll talk to you after this, all right? Come on and see the home show. It's all weekend long. Dulles Expo opens at 10 o'clock today.